In the heart of Melbourne's dense and historic Fitzroy precinct stands a home that is a remarkable example of how architectural design can blend into a dynamic urban context. One of the design's key strengths lies in the narrow hallway on the southern side of the house. The hallway is not only a circulation route, but also creates a natural boundary between the service area and the main living space, bringing light and air into the densely packed home. The materials used also tell a story. Recycled red brick, dark timber, and steel combine to form a visual dialogue between past and present. Natural light filters gently through polycarbonate walls, creating a warm atmosphere that supports everyday life. And at the heart of the house, a small courtyard provides a calm space, expanding the sense of space and breathing life into the entire home. Interestingly, the rear of the house is designed as a multifunctional studio. It could be a music studio, a workspace, or even a self-contained apartment in the future. This design is really thinking about the future, about how a home should adapt to the changing needs of its occupants. The rear garden is designed as a calm yet functional transitional space, connecting the main building with the studio behind. With its soft natural light and intimate atmosphere, it is an ideal place to relax, work, or simply enjoy the fresh air, making it an essential element in the balance between indoor and outdoor spaces. Fitzroy Laneway House is not just about visual beauty. It's about sustainability, about respecting heritage and bringing it back to life in a clever way. It teaches us that the ideal home doesn't have to be big or fancy. What matters is how it responds to light, space, and the evolving life.